Now that we know some properties of acid, let's go a little further into their chemical behavior when acid dissolves in water. They dissociate and release hydrogen ions like this. For example, when hydrochloric acid dissolves in water, it breaks apart into H plus and chloride ions. This is true for most acids, which is why their solutions can conduct electricity. They are electrolytes. Now let's take a closer look at some common acid you might have encountered. First, we have hydrochloric acid, which is a HCl, found in your stomach where it helps break down food. It is also used in cleaning and puking metals. Second is sulfuric acid, which we all know as H2SO4. This strong acid is used in car batteries and in making fertilizer. It is very powerful and should be handled with care. Another example is acetic acid. This is the acid in vinegar. It's a weak acid, but you use it every day to add flavor to food. Another example is citric acid, found in citrus fruits like oranges and lemons. It's a weak acid that gives these fruits their tart flavor. Acids aren't just sour and reactive, they also play a crucial role in neutralization process. Let's see what happens when an acid meets with a base. When hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, which is a base, they neutralize each other to form salt and water. This process is used in everyday situations such as in the preparation of antacid for stomach acids. Alright, it's time for a quick quiz. I'll ask you a few questions and I want you to answer it in the comment section below. Which of the following is a property of acids? First, they taste bitter. Second, they turn blue litmus paper red. Third, they do not conduct electricity. And fourth, they neutralize base to form alkalis. Type your answer below and I'll give you the correct one in just a moment. Alright, the answer is option 2. Acid turn blue litmus paper red. Good job to those who got it right. Let's wrap up today's lesson by looking at the pH scale, which helps us measure how acidic or basic a solution is. The scale ranges from 0 to 14. Acid have a pH less than 7, and the lower the pH, the stronger the acid. A pH of 1 is a super acidic, while 7 is neutral. You can check a pH of a liquid you have at home, like lemon juice or vinegar. Use some pH paper and comment below your results. So today we have learned about acids, their properties and how they react and their role in chemistry. From sour taste to neutralization reaction, acid are all around us. Don't forget to test the pH of some substance at home and share your findings. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'll see you next time for more chemistry fun. Until then, keep experimenting and stay curious. Bye.